Hello, dear crafters! In today's tutorial, we're making a beautiful bookmark flower, a lovely little piece to decorate your books or gift to someone special. It's perfect for using up small scraps of yarn and practicing different stitches. All you need is 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Let's get started. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next cozy crochet project. Love. For round 1, we'll begin by chaining 8, then make a slip stitch to form a ring. Next, we'll start our petals. Chain 4, make 4 extended double crochets, chain 4, slip stitch into the ring. Repeat this 5 times to make 5 petals. End with a chain to close. Great job, you've just finished the base flower. Tip: keep your stitches loose in this round so the flower doesn't curl too tightly. Now let's change the yarn color for a fresh, layered look. For each petal, chain 7, make 5 extended double crochets, chain 7, slip stitch into the base between petals. Repeat 5 times. End with a chain to finish. Look at that, your flower is blooming beautifully. Tip: extended stitches help give the petals a soft, airy feel. Let's now attach the green yarn to form the stem. Chain 80 to make a nice long stem. This will be the part that sits between the pages of your book. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Almost there. Tip: if you want a shorter bookmark, feel free to chain fewer stitches. Time to crochet the small leaf at the end. After chaining 80, chain 8 more. Then turn and skip 1 chain. Crochet. 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Lovely work. This gives your bookmark a cute finishing detail. Tip: keep the leaf shape rounded by adjusting your tension slightly looser in the middle. Let's now add a big leaf a little higher on the stem. Choose where you'd like to place it and slip stitch to that spot. Then chain 11, turn and skip 1. Now crochet. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 extended double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. End with a slip stitch back to the stem. Wow, it's looking just like a garden in your hands. Tip: to keep the leaf stable, make sure your slip stitch at the base is snug. And there you have it. Your handmade bookmark flower is complete. Whether for yourself or a gift, this tiny flower will bring joy to any book it touches. Thank you for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your creation in the comments. Until next time, happy crocheting, friends!